Right guys, Ray and I are out for a bit of a pig hunt. Got the cutie here. Yeah, pretty average day. Left home, it was sunny as at home. Got down here and she's freaking raining and all that carry on. But yeah, we'll just walk up this track and see what happens. See if the dogs can get onto anything. Might be a day of bonneting, I think. Might even have to go back to the road and chuck the dogs on the bonnet. See what happens anyway. Let's go. Right guys, dogs are gone. Somewhere in there. Rain's coming. Thought we heard a few barks before, so hopefully they're on something. We'll see. Just the waiting game at the moment. Yeah, time will tell. Let's see. Cracked it, bro. Cracked the good dogs. Like a nice teethy boar. Good hooks on them. Oh yeah. That was sweet, bro. Nice bush too, eh?
Nice fella.
Cracked the team. The Barry Ray and I cracked a nice boar. We'll just tick over the dogs, make sure they don't have any damage. It's got quite a good jaw, so yeah, we'll get back to you. Cracked it. Alright, so turns out, yeah bro, the third dog has his own pig. So we just marked that one, and we'll come back to it, gut it in a sec. Oh, little one. Hold that out.
Hello. Wow, how big is it? Oh, should I let it go, bro? Snoop, Tiger, come on. Hide mate. Here. Good dog. Come on. Hide mate. Good dog.
Right guys, second pig of the day. We just got a good boar through there. But yeah, it's a little pig, so we'll let him go. Go on. That way. Go. Go on. Go on, go that way. Good pig. Yeah, cracked it. There's the street hunt. Yeah, I'll go back and gut that boar. Oh, come here, Head. Gut that boar and get it out to the road. Cracked it. Alright, here we go, guys. Nice jaw on him. Cracked it. Now we've got to get him gutted and back out to the road. Sweet as. Safety, brother.
Shaka, bro.
Chapel. Like, yeah. That's nice. Beautiful place to have him when you're standing up. Might be tight for you, you want me to loosen it?
Skip my arm up. Here we go. Here we go.
That's a good big bro. Cracked it. Nice teethy one, eh, brother? Yeah. That's nice, bro. Good shit. Cracked it. Right, team, on the lug back. Back to the road. Back to the truck. Nice ball. No damage to the dog, so that's sweet. That's a bonus. Absolutely stoked. So, yeah. Cracked it. Might just follow these markers out, man.
Yeah, I do.
What do you reckon, bro? Wait.
Oh.
120?
Yeah, 115.
Well, those markers go that way. Might just carry on up here. Right, team. Just ran back to the truck. Check the dogs in there because they keep buggering off. I'll go and give Rake one a hand. He's up in there somewhere. Yeah, what a sweet day. Nice pig. Wonder if that's the track. No. Yeah, 2 pigs actually. That was cool. Yo! Yeah. No damage to the dogs. They're stoked with that. They're so happy. Yo! See, I'll go find this fella. See if he needs a rest. Beauty. Here he is. How you feeling, bro?
Oh, man, bro.
Cracked it. Want a rest or all good?
Was it about 3 Ks or something?
Yeah, probably about 3.5. I sprinted about 2.7 of it. No.